Now at 6, 11 men on Nebraska's death row. Now, after a ruling by a 3-judge panel today, convicted killer Patrick Schroeder becomes the state's 12th condemned man. Schroeder was already serving a life sentence for killing a Pawnee City farmer in 2006 over money. Last year, he strangled his cellmate at Tecumseh because the young man was talking a lot as they watched TV. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli. Jenny is on assignment. The 3-judge panel handed down the death sentence, even though the lethal injection protocol in Nebraska is being challenged in court. Senior reporter Jake Wasikowski was at today's hearing in Johnson County and has details.
Victim Terry Berry's grandfather says that he never should have been put in the same cell as Patrick Schroeder, and for those actions, the state will put Schroeder to death.
He's a gutless, good for nothing.
Death penalty.
And I'm glad he's being executed.
The 3-judge panel sentenced Schroeder to death for killing Kenneth Albers in 2006 and Berry, his Tecumseh cellmate, in 2017. The judges felt the killings were cruel and premeditated, and the aggravator existed. Berry's grandfather says he deserved the death penalty.
Like I said, may he rot in the gates of hell, because he's not worth a powder to blow him to hell.
The ACLU is suing Governor Pete Ricketts, Attorney General Doug Peterson, and the Department of Corrections because they say the state is using a combination of drugs for executions that have never been tested, and they won't reveal it publicly. That could hinder carrying out an execution. Schroeder has said in the past he deserves the death penalty and isn't worried about the drugs.
The fact that the defendant expressly welcomes a death sentence has not been considered by the panel. It is the law and not the defendant's wishes that compels this panel's ultimate conclusion.
The trial on the lethal injection protocol was held last month, and now a judge will make a decision sometime. The governor's office says the drugs were purchased from a licensed U.S. pharmacy, but one of them expires in August. Reporting from Johnson County, Jake Wasikowski, 3 News Now.
All right, same topic, different guy. In Omaha,